No complicated diets. No extreme restrictions. Just natural foods and drinks that support your heart from within. Cholesterol imbalance is becoming very common due to lifestyle, stress, and modern eating habits. While food is not a replacement for medical treatment, certain natural foods and drinks may help support healthier cholesterol levels when used consistently as part of a balanced diet. Let's go through 5 of them. Oats are one of the best natural foods for cholesterol support. They contain a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which may help reduce the absorption of cholesterol in the body. This supports better heart health over time. Eat oats for breakfast with water or milk and add fruits or cinnamon for extra benefits. Garlic is widely known for its heart-supporting properties. It may help the body maintain healthier cholesterol levels and support better blood circulation when used regularly. Its active compound allicin is responsible for many of these effects. Nuts are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and plant compounds that support heart health. They may help improve the balance between good and bad cholesterol in the body. Walnuts are especially known for their omega-3 content. Eat a small handful daily as a snack or add to breakfast meals. Green tea contains antioxidants called catechins, which may help support cholesterol balance. It is often linked with improved metabolism and overall heart health. When consumed regularly, drink 1 to 2 cups daily without sugar for best results. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in soluble fiber and plant protein. They may help reduce cholesterol absorption and support long-term heart health while also keeping you full for longer. Include them regularly in meals like soups or salads. So instead of focusing on quick fixes, think about building simple, consistent eating habits. These natural foods may help support healthier cholesterol levels over time when included regularly in a balanced lifestyle. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Eat Right for more simple and powerful health insights.